Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Pink Multitool is probably one of the most versatile and stylish tools you can add to your everyday carry or workshop, offering a unique blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal that sets it apart from the standard, utilitarian options available on the market today, making it a fantastic choice for anyone who appreciates both form and function in their gear. Number 5. Gerber Suspension NXT 15 in 1 Multitool Pliers. Introducing the Suspension NXT, your ultimate everyday carry companion. It packs 15 essential tools into a compact and convenient design, ready for any task. Crafted from robust stainless steel, this multi-tool is built to last. Its innovative butterfly opening and secure locking feature ensure safety and ease of use. Whether you're a hunter, tradesman, or outdoor enthusiast, this tool is a must-have. It's perfect for camping, fishing, hiking, and all your adventures. Designed for portability, it fits easily in your pocket or attaches to your gear with the included clip. Take it anywhere your day may lead. Trust in the quality and reliability of Gerber. This multi-tool is backed by a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring it's always ready when you need it. What we like. This multi-tool offers a wide array of functions for various tasks. Its innovative butterfly opening and locking mechanism ensure safety and ease of use. If you are looking for a reliable EDC companion with robust features for everyday carry and outdoor adventures, this is a solid choice. What people say. The Pink Multitool is a great addition to my toolbox. It has a variety of tools that are all very useful. I love the compact design of the Pink Multitool. It's easy to carry around and fits perfectly in my pocket. The Pink Multitool is made of high-quality materials and feels very durable. I've used it for several projects and it hasn't let me down. Number 4. Wallet Ninja 2.0 Pink. Introducing the Wallet Ninja 2.0, the ultimate pocket-sized multi-tool. It's designed to be your go-to gadget for everyday tasks, fitting perfectly in your wallet. This advanced version now includes a handy mirror and a nail file, adding even more convenience. Now you can look your best and fix minor issues on the go. It opens bottles and cans with ease, and even helps with opening boxes and pulling nails. You'll find it incredibly useful for a variety of situations. Need to measure something quickly? It features both inches and cm rulers. Plus, it cleverly transforms into a cell phone stand for hands-free viewing. With 4 different screwdrivers, including Phillips, flathead, and eyeglass screwdrivers, you're prepared for most common repairs. It's the perfect tool for quick fixes. Crafted from durable, heat-treated steel, it's built to withstand tough use without bending, breaking, or rusting. This tool is as strong as it is lightweight. What we like. This credit card-sized multi-tool packs 20 functions, including a handy mirror and nail file. Its durable, heat-treated steel construction ensures it won't bend or break. If you prioritize extreme portability and a compact design that fits in your wallet, this is the perfect tool for quick fixes and personal grooming on the go. What people say. The Pink Multitool is a versatile and compact tool, perfect for everyday carry. It includes a variety of useful functions like a knife, scissors, screwdriver, and bottle opener, all neatly integrated into a durable stainless steel body. I was impressed by the quality of the materials used. The pink coating is scratch-resistant and the tools themselves are sharp and well-made. It feels solid in hand and has proven reliable for various tasks around the house and outdoors. Number 3. Hi-Spec 25-piece Pink Household DIY Toolkit for Women. Meet the Hi-Spec 25-piece Pink Household DIY Toolkit, designed specifically for women. This starter set is perfect for quick repairs and maintenance around the house. Everything fits securely in a durable, book-sized case, making it easy to carry and store. It's ideal for homes, apartments, dorms, and any small living space. The pliers and hammer have soft, non-slip handles for a better grip and reduced hand fatigue. You'll have better control and comfort, even during longer tasks. With its vibrant pink trim and lightweight design, this tool set is both appealing and practical. It's a thoughtful gift for anyone who appreciates style with their tools. This kit includes essential tools like a mini claw hammer, combination pliers, and a utility knife. Everything is organized in the case for quick and easy access. Designed for new homeowners, beginners, or renters, it's perfect for light home repairs and basic DIY projects. The sturdy case keeps all your tools securely in place. This festive season, give the gift of cheer and practicality with Hi-Spec's Pink tools. It's a trusted choice for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts, making any project shine. What we like. This comprehensive 25-piece Pink tool set is designed for household quick repairs and DIY projects. It comes in a neat, book-sized case for easy storage and transport. If you are a beginner, a renter, or someone who appreciates tools with comfortable, non-slip grips for light home maintenance, this starter kit is ideal. What people say. The Pink Multitool is a versatile and compact device, perfect for everyday carry. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand regular use, and the various tools are well integrated and easy to access. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and operate, even for extended periods. Number 2. Kelvin 23 Urban Multi-Tool Screwdriver Set, Pink. Introducing the Kelvin 23, your ultimate all-in-one solution for everyday repairs. It combines 23 essential tools into one compact design, perfect for home, office, or travel. Tackle any task with its versatile 16-bit screwdriver set. Changing bits is quick and easy thanks to the magnetic holder, ensuring you're always prepared. The magnetic bit holder makes switching between screwdriver heads a breeze. This feature enhances efficiency, allowing you to transition seamlessly between different projects. Built to last, it features a durable cast aluminum body and a comfortable rubber touch handle. This tool is designed for rigorous use, providing reliable performance for all your needs. More than just a tool, it's a thoughtful gift for any occasion. Ideal for Father's Day, housewarmings, or college students, it's the practical present that keeps on giving. What we like. This urban multi-tool integrates 23 functions, including a multi-bit screwdriver, LED light, tape measure, and liquid level. Its durable cast aluminum body and rubber grip offer ergonomic comfort. If you need an all-in-one solution for DIY repairs, travel, or dorm life, and appreciate the convenience of integrated tools like a flashlight and level, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Pink Multitool is a great addition to any toolbox, offering a wide range of functions in a compact design. Its durable construction ensures longevity, and the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for extended use. The included accessories are high quality and enhance the tool's versatility, making it suitable for various DIY projects. Number 1. Apollo Tools 14-in-1 Steel Pocket Multi-Tool Pliers. Introducing the Apollo Tools 14-in-1 Steel Pocket Multi-Tool Pliers, a versatile companion for everyday life, repairs, and outdoor adventures. It's designed to be your go-to tool for countless tasks. This multi-tool seamlessly integrates 14 essential tools into a sleek, pocket-sized design. It's engineered to handle a wide array of jobs at home, work, or on the go, combining sturdiness with style. With its attractive pink finish and ergonomic design, this tool is both comfortable to hold and a pleasure to use. Keep it handy in your purse, backpack, or glove compartment, and be prepared for anything. Crafted from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, this multi-tool is built to last a lifetime with normal use. It's your reliable partner for all your DIY projects and outdoor excursions. This quality tool makes an ideal gift for travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, DIYers, and anyone who values preparedness. Its sturdy yet lightweight construction and beautiful pink finish make it a standout present. When you purchase this multi-tool, you're also contributing to a great cause. Apollo Tools donates 25 cents from each purchase to the Breast Cancer Research Foundation, supporting vital research. What we like. This 14-in-1 steel pocket multi-tool offers a sleek design with essential tools for everyday life, repairs, and outdoor activities. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort during use. If you're looking for a versatile, affordable tool that also supports a great cause, this is a fantastic option for travel, fishing, or general preparedness. What people say. The Pink Multitool is a great addition to my toolbox. It has a variety of tools that are all well made and durable. I love the compact size of this multi-tool. It fits easily in my pocket or bag, making it convenient to carry around. The pink color is a nice touch. It makes the multi-tool stand out and easy to find. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.